These are my new Bruno Marcs. I'm gonna open them up first time. I know what they are because I've seen the picture, but I haven't opened them up. I haven't put them on yet. So let's do that together. They are white and they are a little different than most of what I have. So first of all, that's a really interesting bottom. Look at that. It's like a honeycomb kind of look, a little extra firm grip over here, a little more dense rubber over here to hold up better. Big old chunky sole, but not too chunky. And all these little perforations, number one, they'll be cool, but number one, they're cool. I like them, they're just different. They're just different textures. All right, let's take this packaging out and let's decide real quick how comfortable they're gonna be. So the collar, first of all, is, very soft. That is very soft. I could probably go sockless with these. That collar is cushioned, I like that a lot. The insole, I would say that's like on a scale of 1 to 10, that's like probably a 7.5 or an 8. And I'll go as far as to say it feels like gel. It kind of bounces back pretty good. In fact, let me pull this out. Yep, there you go. It's green. I knew it felt a little more than normal. It's good. I think it's gonna be really, really, really comfortable. I do like the fact that they're white, and I do like the fact that it has this brown contour. So help me with certain shirts, certain pants. Just, you know, sometimes you want black, sometimes you want blue, sometimes you want brown. And so this will be in the brown family. I like it. All right, let me throw these on. I would say these are pretty light. And so with the comfort, the cushion, and then the lightness, I think it's gonna be a pretty comfortable shoe. So let's put them on. I'll take a lap. This is my introductory lap around the pool and back, and I'll tell you how they feel. Now I do say this, I have owned a lot of Bruno Marcs over the years, and if they're comfortable at first, they only get more comfortable as they break in. And usually I would say within a day, or a half a day even, they'll break in real nice. So if they're comfortable right out of the box, then you know you've got a keeper. But if they're not, like the first few steps, don't worry, it'll probably break in. But if it doesn't stay comfortable, and it's not comfortable after the first day, send it back. you want to have comfortable shoes. Life is too short for uncomfortable shoes. I think some guy named Forrest said something similar to that. All right, here we go. I would say I haven't taken a step in these yet, but I think these are gonna be really comfortable. Oh yeah, yes sir. These feel good. Yeah, these feel good. As far as sizing, I'm a size 12. These are a size 12, and I've got a full thumbnail of length there. So I would say these fit to size. The bounce on the bottom is, when I say the insole is like way above average, these are way above average. I feel that gel. It feels really, really nice. The grip, I would say that is average. Although the back grip, that little rubber extension on the very back, is stronger of a grip. So that'll actually hold up longer. But I wouldn't say this is above average on the grip. It's just what you would expect from a shoe like this, but not bad by any means. Okay, notice with my socks, these are not the socks I'd probably wear, probably go with some either no-shows, but notice that these are like bright, spanking white socks, and these shoes are not quite that same color. It's a little bit more of a muted white, which is not a good or a bad. Just recognize that the sock is what I would say is a pure white. So I like these. Let me get a little closer for you. I think they're great. Bruno Marc sent these to me for a review. I would easily endorse these. I like these. In fact, I think I'll wear these tomorrow to work. Very comfortable. So much cushion on the heel, but surprisingly, so much cushion on the forefront of the foot as well. So no complaints. I like it. Hope this helps. Have yourself a great day.